In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint as virtual background. If you've ever wanted to appear on camera with your slides right behind you, clean, professional, and easy to follow, this is the built-in zoom feature that makes it happen in just a few clicks. Before we start, have your PowerPoint file saved and ready on your computer and join your Zoom meeting as you normally would. When you're set, click the green Share Screen button in Zoom. In the window that opens, look along the top for the Advanced tab, then choose PowerPoint as virtual background. That's the option that tells Zoom to place your slides behind you instead of simply sharing your screen. Right after you select it, Zoom will prompt you to pick your PowerPoint file. Choose the file you want to present, and Zoom will load your slides and automatically layer your video in front of them. You'll see yourself on top of the slide, almost like you're standing in front of a digital screen. You can click and drag your video to any corner and resize it so you're not covering important content. If you've designed your slides with some open space, that's a great place to position your video overlay. On the slide area, you'll notice simple controls to move forward and backward. These controls keep your audience focused on the content without you having to switch windows or juggle the PowerPoint app. Participants will see a clean, full-frame slide with you in front, which looks much more polished than a standard screen share. A few tips to make this look its best. Good lighting helps Zoom create a clean cutout around you, so try to face a window or a lamp and avoid bright light behind you. Keep slides high contrast and uncluttered, and leave some margin so your video doesn't block key text or charts. If your self-view looks mirrored, don't worry. Attendees see the slide text the right way around. Also, very complex animations or embedded media in PowerPoint may not behave exactly like they do in the PowerPoint app, so simpler transitions tend to work more reliably. For faster loading, keep your file on your local drive rather than a cloud folder that syncs slowly. If you don't see the PowerPoint as virtual background option, make sure you're on the desktop Zoom client for Windows or Mac OS and that it's updated. And when you're finished presenting, end the share the same way you always do. That's all there is to it, an easy path to a more engaging Zoom presentation.